I've been exploring the First Direct app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the First Direct app. The First Direct app is a mobile banking platform designed to give customers quick, secure, and easy access to their accounts anytime, anywhere. It's built to help you manage everyday banking tasks, such as checking your balances, viewing transactions, paying friends and bills, and staying on top of your finances, all from the convenience of your smartphone or tablet. Now, moving on to the features. The First Direct app offers a user-friendly interface that makes navigating your accounts simple and fast. You can check balances and statements, print or download up to 6 years of statements, and securely manage payments. The app supports biometric login through Face ID or fingerprint, adding a strong layer of security. It also includes the Digital Secure Key feature, which generates temporary codes for added safety when sending money to new pays. Notifications keep you updated on important transactions, and with Apple Pay and Google Pay integration, contactless payments are seamless. The app is regularly updated with bug fixes and improvements to ensure smooth performance. Speaking from my personal experience, I found the First Direct app to be a reliable and straightforward tool for managing my daily banking. I especially appreciate how quickly I can check my balance whenever I want to, without logging in fully, thanks to its Peek feature. Making payments and transfers is hassle-free, and the security features like biometric login and digital secure key give me confidence that my money is protected. The interface feels clean and intuitive, which makes banking feel less like a chore. Occasionally, the app can be a bit basic compared to some newer banking apps, but it covers everything I really need without complications. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, the app currently supports only one user per device, which can be inconvenient for households sharing a tablet or phone. Some users have also reported occasional delays in notification updates and minor bugs. While the app handles core banking tasks well, it lacks some advanced budgeting and financial planning tools found in other apps. Also, it's tailored specifically for First Direct customers, so its functionality is limited to their banking products. Overall, if you're a First Direct customer looking for a secure, simple, and effective way to manage your money on the go, the First Direct app is a solid choice. It delivers essential banking features with strong security and ease of use, making everyday banking quicker and less stressful. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.